9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
I was like 2 bursts and they were dead, or 1 burst to the head.
It worked for me the first time I played it. I'm like, oh, this is
Little help here. Oh!
What the hell happened? Jeff, what are you doing? Switching hands?
Hey, can someone give Sam a bit of cover? Sam, I'm dead.
I know. I'm not gonna help you and Jeff's right there.
Well, someone get rid of him.
Waiting.
Jeff, you look so ridiculous.
Come now.
That's Jack. Honest.
Did Jack get hit in the head?
Jack, are you killed
or
dead?
I'm dead.
Killed.
Wait, did Jackie get hit in the head? Oh, Jeff, that was
Down.
on, wasn't it? I'm down.
You're down.
Oh, I thought we were playing with this.
Sit down, Jeff.
Yeah, if you're down, you have to sit down, man.
You can't kneel down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jeff. Caleb, are you dead?
What happened? What's wrong?
Switch clip for the win. You're gonna need it in a sec when Sam revives you. Okay, Sam. Go back, go back, go back.
I got Jeff right.
Jeff's dead.
Not dead!
What can you do for Bugsy?
Oh!
Whoa.
I'm down.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Wait. That's a fast count.
And really war, you can't revive someone by channeling. It's not Gears of War, Sam. It's not Gears of War.
Gears of War appears, someone would be like on the ground, be like, you're okay.
It's so stupid. You're like guts everywhere. You're okay.
You're just going your hands off. At least it's not like these things you get blown up by an airplane, then you're like, here's some beer, you're okay.
Oh, whoa. That was close.
How was it jump going?
Jeez, they're all duds.
Thank you.
Boom! Boom! I didn't even have to move.
You're down. Oh.
Am I dead? You're dead.
Jachi's dead. VIP Jachi's dead. I have nothing in it.
Jackie's dead.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Whatever.
do it!
Here! Jack is dead. Yeah.
Hey, watch out, that's my Maverick, man.
You gotta take the gun.
I'm fine. Let's do this.
Take the gun and
Okay, I'm dead.
take down Sam. Take down Sam.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You can't count that fast.
Fine, I'll do it again.
Now I'm revived. I just waited a little while. Guys, you're stupid since you like ammo.
Okay, careful with that Maverick, it's broken. You have to hold that cocking mechanism forward.
Let me get some ammo.
I'm dead, I'm dead. Well, I was already dead, you shot me yourself.
You're saying you're dead?
Yeah.
Don't. This is a vital part of my mission.
Oh wait, yeah, I can still be revived. Never mind.
It's just the way his ammo. Go.
I'll help you. Oh! Gut shot. I'm dead.
It's all up to me.
I'm reloading. Animal is reloading.
Oh, Nick.
You guys should have like a quick draw.
Nick. It's a quick pickup ammo clip.
Can't pass it.
That's why it's on the floor, Jack.
You have to
Go on.
hide behind people.